LinkedIn has long been the victim of the AI slop epidemic, and now it's reducing the reach of posts generated with AI. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. If you spent any time on LinkedIn, then you know this was much needed. In a blog post, the company's vice president of product, Laura Lorenzetti, said the changes will target everything from outright engagement bait to recycled thought leadership and other generic content that lacks the authenticity and originality. The platform is also taking aim at posts and comments that have obvious signs of AI construction. LinkedIn isn't sharing much detail about how it's detecting AI slop, but says that its engineers collaborated with its in-house editorial team to identify patterns in how members engage, recognizing context or expertise versus what simply repeats existing ideas without contributing anything new. If the post gets identified by LinkedIn, it'll no longer appear in other users' recommendations, but will still be viewable to a person's direct connections and followers. LinkedIn is trying to walk a fine line here as it offers a bunch of its own generative AI tools, including Rewrite with AI button in its post composer. Even as it's cracking down on AI slop, LinkedIn says that AI-assisted content is still welcome so long as it contains original ideas. But even before the AI slop, the professional was already overflowing with shameless self-promotion and borderline spam. Earlier this year, LinkedIn members endured weeks of M-discourse with posts about how the punctuation mark was supposedly a tell of AI-written posts. But most large language models were trained on the work of human writers and authors who love a good old M-. Since then, many LinkedIn posts have been calling the nature of LinkedIn feed as AI slop itself. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.